Assessment, March 2024, Class 8. Subject English, Second Language, March 50, 2 hours 30 minutes. 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions in complete statements. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answers along with the options for question numbers 1 to 16, 1 mark each. Question 1. The farmers gather the fruits from the orchard. The synonym of the underlined word is. Synonym means the same word. Gather, B. Collect. Question 2. Most of the people remember those who helped them, but a few of them dash. The antonym of the underlined word is A. Forget. Question 3. Mr. Vardhan is dash engineer. He is also dash singer. The appropriate articles to be filled in the blanks are. Remember, an is used for vowel sounds. The answer is C. An engineer, a singer. Question 4. The students had a dash day at the science center. The appropriate form of the word to be filled in the blank is D. Wonderful. Question 5. Dash people always love to solve a mathematical dash. The appropriate words to be filled in the blanks are. This question is related to homophones, same sound, different meanings. The answer is B. Some people always love to solve a mathematical sum. Question 6. Rahim is a kind man. He always helps others. The underlined word in the above sentence is. The answer is A. Pronoun. Question 7. Study the following pictures and choose the right statement given below. These are adjectives of comparison. The answer is C. Tree C is the tallest of them all. Question 8. Samari is very happy dash her father has brought her a new doll. The appropriate conjunctions to be filled in the blank is D. Because her father. Question 9. The word play rhymes with the word A. Day, play day. Study the following picture and choose the correct answer for question numbers 10 and 11. Question 10. The man in the above picture is cutting trees. Question 11. The picture tells us that. The answer is D. We need to save trees to avoid scarcity of water. Read the following passage and choose the correct answer for question numbers 12 and 13. Shravan Kumar was known for dedicating his life for his parents who were old, blind, and poor. Once they asked Shravan to take them on a pilgrimage. He took them to many places, carrying them in a kavati, a sling to carry weight on both ends. While he was going around to holy places, he came to a river bank. His parents loved that place as it was very pleasant to live. Question 12. Shravan's parents loved the river bank because B. They could live in a calm and pleasant place. Question 13. Shravan Kumar is not an unusual son because A. He carried his parents on his shoulder to fulfill their wish. Study the following scorecard of Sita and choose the correct answer for question numbers 14 and 15. Question 14. The subject in which Sita scored the same marks are English and Mathematics. Question 15. The subjects in which Sita scored the highest and lowest marks are. The answers B. Kannada and Science. Question 16. We are happy today dash. The appropriate question tag to be added is. If the auxiliary verb is positive, which is are, then the tag would be negative. C. Aren't we? Part 2. Do as directed for question numbers 17 to 20. Question 17. The teacher gives a pen to Raju. Change the above sentence into passive voice. Simple. Turn the sentence around. Raju is given a pen by the teacher and change the verb form. Question 18. Sheila comes dash France. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Sheila comes to France. Question 19. Yesterday students dash B sing patriotic songs. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the verb. Simple. Yesterday students were singing patriotic songs. Question 20. James said to Rita, I am going to the market. Change the above sentence into reported speech. James told Rita he was going to the market. Part 3. Read as directed for question numbers 21 to 26. Question 21. Read the given passage and answer the question that follows. After an interval, each boy takes his asan, his square carpet, into the fields and sits down on it to meditate in his own place alone. Later on, before schoolwork begins, the boys stand together in the shade of the trees and sing their hymn. Till about 10:30, work of the school goes on. We have no classrooms. The boys sit with their teachers in the open air, under the trees. There are no larger classes. A group of 8 or 10 boys are seated round the teacher, asking him questions. Very few books are used. A greater part is carried on through conversation. The boys soon learn to open out all their difficulties to their teachers, and the teachers get keenly interested in the boys' questions and answers. Such living education can never be dull. Question. How do the boys involve in learning at Shantiniketan? Answer. A group of 8-10 boys sit around their teacher under a tree and studies by conversation. The classroom is not bound by 4 walls. Here the teacher and student have equal roles to play. They open out their difficulties and their teachers keenly solves them. Question 22. Read the given passage and answer the given question. Oliver was born in a poor house of a little country town on a cold, black night in the winter of 1837. The birth was attended by a doctor who was hastily called for the purpose and by an old pauper woman who was experienced in such matters. The mother died as soon as the boy took his first breath. She was a young, good-looking woman, also had been found lying in the street. It was clear that she walked some distance before she died. Her shoes had been torn to pieces. Where she had come from or where she had been going, nobody knew. Question: Oliver's birth was not normal. How? Answer: Oliver was born in the streets on a cold winter night. Nobody knew where his mother came from, because she died after his first breath in the year 1837. A doctor and a pauper woman took care of his birth. Question 23. The incidents of the lesson, the swan and the princess, are given below. Write them in the order in which they occur in the play. Pause and read the sequence of order. Question 24. Read the given passage and fill the blanks. Burbank found that the climate in his native place was not suitable for his work, and at the age of 26 he moved to the state of California, where the weather was mild and the soil was rich and varied. Burbank never hesitated in the pursuit of the goal he had set for himself. He carried on his experiments and original work on plants for more than half a century on Santa Rosa, near the city of San Francisco. He described his new home as the chosen spot of all this earth as far as nature was concerned. A. Simple fill in the blanks. Go back to the passage. Burbank described his new home as the chosen spot. B. The weather at California was mild. Soil rich and varied. Question 25. Raju meets his friend Ravi at a library. Write a short conversation between them in 4-5 sentences. Pause and create a conversation similar. Question 26. You have read the lesson, the story of Dharmavyada. Write any 2 qualities of Dharmavyada you would like to adopt in your life. Pause and see the options. Now we move on to part 4. Answer question numbers 27 to 29 as directed. Question 27. Read the following stanzas of the poem Coromandel Fishers and answer the following question. Rise, brothers, rise. The wakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the sons of the sea. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the tracks of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives, he who holds the storm by the air will hide in his breast our lives. The fishermen have a good relationship with nature. Explain. The fishermen believe that the sea is divine. They have a close relation with nature, as the sea is their mother and the cloud their brother and the waves their comrades. God, who has power to control the storm, will definitely protect them. Question 28. Given below is the profile of Mr. Suhas. Write a paragraph using the given details. Create sentences that are simple and clear without grammatical errors. Question 29. Develop a story using the clues given below. Here is a sample for you to understand how to create your story. Part 5:30. Read the given passage and answer the given questions. A. What do you mean by migration of birds? Birds migration is a regular seasonal movement of birds from one place to another. They occur due to breeding and wintering reasons. B. Birds can identify the seasonal change easily. How do they identify it? They can find the seasonal changes by knowing the length of the day. Part 6, Question 31. Imagine that you are Kiran Kavya studying in 8th Standard, Government High School, Kolar. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend your birthday party. This is an informal letter. Write a letter to your class teacher requesting him/her to grant 2 days leave to attend your sister's marriage. Formal letter. Never forget the format of the letter, and that's about it.